Understanding Maintain the Edge, an English language guide. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, maintain the edge. This is a common expression in English, often used in both professional and personal contexts. Understanding such phrases can really enhance your English language skills, so let's dive in. Maintain the edge is a phrase composed of two key words, maintain and edge. To maintain something means to keep it in a certain state, condition, or position. Edge, in this context, refers to an advantage or a superior position compared to others. So, when combined, the phrase generally means to keep an advantage over others or to continue being in a leading position. In competitive settings, in sports, business, or any competitive field, maintaining the edge means staying ahead of competitors. It implies constantly improving or keeping up with strategies to remain successful. In personal development, on a personal level, this phrase can mean continuing to develop skills or knowledge to stay ahead in one's career or personal growth. It's about self-improvement and not becoming complacent. In relationships or social interactions, maintaining the edge might refer to keeping an upper hand in dynamics or negotiations, though this usage is less common and can have negative connotations. 1. The company is investing in new technologies to maintain the edge over competitors. 2. She reads extensively to maintain her edge in the industry. 3. In professional sports, athletes train rigorously to maintain an edge over their peers. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, maintain the edge. It's a powerful expression that encapsulates the idea of staying ahead and not resting on your laurels. Keep practicing your English, and maybe you'll maintain the edge in your language learning journey. See you in the next video.